Hi everyone, I'm Tammy and welcome back to Prepper Watch, the news and reporting arm of preppingcommunities.com. Whether you've been prepping for years or just now realizing that the world's gone a little bit sideways, I'm glad you're here. If you're into prepping, homesteading, and staying informed on the news and awareness that may impact you, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a report. Just a heads up, we are changing up the format of our reports a little bit. As the channel grows, the personality of it will as well. So some days I may do a report on food recalls, or I may focus on a health headline that's impacting preppers and homesteaders. Maybe a spotlight on an influencer or a channel that's making waves in the community. I might touch on some geopolitical news, or maybe just a few quick updates from our Prepper Watchmen. And speaking of them, I want to say thank you to all of the Prepper Watchmen out there. Your reports are everything. Please keep them coming. We read every single one, and we also add it to our Prepper Watch reports. Like this one from Larry in Illinois, who wrote, "We're seeing record amounts of clover, but no bees. As a kid, we had to wear shoes to avoid stepping on them. Now, nothing. Where'd they all go?" It's a good question. And here's a thoughtful reminder from Bradley in Florida. Storms and heavy rain are no joke. Hurricane season is here. Bradley shared a great tip. Back up your important documents with photos and written lists saved to the cloud or a USB, because when disaster strikes, that proof can make all the difference with insurance or FEMA. You might lose food, supplies, or even power, but with solid planning, you will bounce back. And our beautiful pets, don't forget about them because they are part of the family too. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Stay safe, stay prepared, and look out for each other. That's the kind of real community-driven information you won't find in the mainstream news. And that's exactly why we built Prepping Communities and Prepper Watch. We don't just watch the news, this community, we are the news. Okay, so where have we been? Well, we have been heads down revamping preppingcommunities.com, and we are pretty excited about our new feature groups. We just launched it. It's a game changer. You can now join or start your own group based on location or interests like gardening, homesteading, water security, SHTF prepping. It's whatever matters most to you. One member already kicked off the Northern Nevada Conservative Preppers group, and it's buzzing with activity. You can share tips, plan meetups, trade seeds, barter supplies, and actually connect with people who get it. So if you haven't already, join preppingcommunities.com, and if you live in Nevada, please join AJ's prepping group. And if you run a group, if you're a group moderator, you will get access to the Customizable Group Toolbox. It's kind of like your own command center. You can add your own storefront to promote your products and services. You can run quizzes, polls, live discussions, post how-to guides on everything from bug-out bags to off-grid cooking. You can also submit Prepper Watch reports directly from your group. You're not just building a page, you are building a local resilience hub. And this is exactly why it matters, because Trump's new tariffs are set to kick in on August 1st. And if you rely on imported gear for your emergency supplies, things could be getting a lot more expensive. So the new tariffs are targeting imports from China and other countries, including things like steel, aluminum, electronics, batteries, tools, ammo cans, Mylar bags, even food packaging materials. So that covers a ton of stuff we use in prepping: emergency radios, water filters, vacuum sealers, long-term storage containers, you name it. And a lot of this gear is either made in China or uses Chinese components. So we could be looking at price hikes of 20% or more. We've seen it before. Like, remember the 2018 tariffs? Solar panels, car batteries, prepper supplies all shot up in price. It kind of feels a little bit like deja vu. So if you've been meaning to top off your stockpile, now might be the time to think like, maybe I should get some Mylar bags and oxygen absorbers, maybe a water filtration system, battery banks, emergency lighting, ammo cans, toolkits, hand tools. Grab what you can now, because prices are going to jump, and it's not about panic. It's just about being prepared. That's what we do. That's why Prepping Communities exists. So buying soon could just save you some cash and a few headaches as well. So that's it, guys. If you haven't yet, now's the time to sign up at preppingcommunities.com. It's fast, free, uncensored, the way it should be. Join a group, start one, submit your reports, because when stuff hits the fan, I was going to say when shit hits the fan, but when stuff hits the fan, we're stronger together. Until next time, this is Tammy from Prepper Watch signing off, and always remember, stay alert, stay informed, stay prepared, and whatever is coming your way, Prepper Watch we got your back.